Hi guys, it's Matt Feast. I'll just quickly show you how you grab your bonuses from JetUp, linking to Tag Markets. Okay, right, what you need to do, you need to go to your profile once you set your account up. Okay, so you go to your profile and then you grab this here. This is your user ID, copy of that. Then you go straight to my website, alright, with all the information. So please bookmark this. Scroll down, and you need to watch these videos. Very important. Even watch it twice. Yeah. Scroll down, and I've done a video of how to grab your bonuses for the 150 deposit in the actual exchange. And you need to grab your $100 bonus plus your 24x, which is 6k trading leverage. And that was the exchange will leverage your funds, including the bonus. Okay. So what you need to do is click on this button here. It says click here. So you click there. You come to this portal here, and it says Dennis Fast Promo. So you need to click on that. Then you need to scroll down, okay, put your name, your full name, and your email address where you have signed up from, to Tag Markets, which is up here, Tag Markets, yeah. Alright, so it matches up. Then you need to paste your CUI number or CU number or ID or whatever it is, like we did earlier on. Click on that. And then you need to join the promo, alright? And then within probably 24 hours to 48 hours, you will receive the bonuses in your platform here, alright? So you need to do that, it's very important, okay? Any problems, any issues, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. We do have webinars every week, and also every Wednesday, and also every Saturday. But please join our WhatsApp and also our Telegram group. You need to reach out for me for that, really, because you need to be active. That's the most important thing. You need to be a paid active member. Alright? Meanwhile, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. I'll see you inside. Right guys, so after you've done the form here, you filled it all in, and you go straight to your Tag Markets account, alright, and you see the bonuses have been added in, okay. So what I need to do, I need to scroll down. It says Copy X. You need to click on that button there, click on Copy X, and then you bring it to this page here. Then I need to go to the Follow Hub, little icon up here, click on that. There we go, there's the amount they added to my account, so it's $100, so take out my account, plus they gave me a $100 bonus, so that's $200, alright, and they gave me $4,800, so if you add it all up, it's about 6k. So if you go to my dashboard here, you can show you. I've got $50 here, so they left that here, there, and now I've got to pick a package. So I'll go straight to my Copy X again. I'm just showing you guys for the sake of this video. Okay, click on that button again, Follow Hub, and then I need to go Strategies. Click on the Strategies. Here we go. And then I funded it. I funded it with 150. Got $100 bonus, so that makes $250. And they left me $50 in there. And I'm going to use the $50 to invest into this Sonic contract. Alright? And I just go reinvest. Boom. Done. Alright guys, Any questions in the answers, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you, and have a great day.